how can just your followers that you follow back can comment on your videos on TikTok. Today guys, I will show you how to do this. Just watch this video until the end and make sure that you like and subscribe in this channel. So let's start. First you will go to TikTok and open it. Then when TikTok is open, as you see here home, it will open automatically. You will just go down here on your profile, then open it, and then when your profile is open, you will just go here to this three line, then click, and then go to settings and privacy and click again. Then go to privacy and go to comments, and then click comments here and click followers that you follow back, like this, and that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in this channel. See you next video.